I request you all to mute your mics and I hope I'm audible too. So this is an orientation program on Yuva Atmanirbhar project, which is an internship program in social media and digital marketing, which is exclusively for ongoing campus students. So let's start. For this, let me welcome our CEO, Dr. Mendes Jacob sir, to this session. He is a prominent academician, entrepreneur, and a digital marketing enthusiast. Reputed for his expertise in marketing, management, and IT education, he has received the Best Entrepreneur Award from the Chief Minister of Kerala and Excellence in the IT Education Award from the Defence Minister of India. A PhD in Operation Research, he is also the director of MCA program at Marian College, Kuttikam, and has published widely in a number of national and international journals. I welcome you, sir. So before moving to the session, let me have a brief introduction on IPSR Solutions Limited. We are an award-winning public limited IT company that has been delivering high-performance IT training to students as well as corporates for the past 21 years. The company, led by a group of dynamic entrepreneurs and a prominent academicians, and has got 5 branches across Kerala. A world-class training team includes industry experts with 9+ years of experience and also architect level certified professionals. We are the world's leading Red Hat training partner and Kerala's first star certification partner. We are the best training partner of Red Hat Incorporated, received 35 awards from Red Hat in 16 consecutive years for delivering quality training in India and overseas. We are the expert in corporate training, faculty development programs, technology seminars and workshops, induction training programs, internships, and career support. We have facilitated training for candidates from 50+ countries, including America, Europe, Africa, Middle East and Far East, and Australia. We have delivered free online training to 8,000+ candidates during this period through our learning management system. We are the pioneer in development of academic solution products ranging from simple websites to complex software applications that academic and operational activities like question paper generation, campus automation, accreditation process, and outcome-based education. So let's begin. I welcome Mendes sir once again to this session. Over to you, sir.
Before starting the program, first of all, let us know the composition of the group. How many of you are from the, we have actually started this program around 3 months before as a pilot project, and now we have just started it as an official program from November 22nd onward. Actually, November 22nd is our foundation day. This is our 21st foundation day. Now, we have incorporated many things during the last 3 months, added many other some modules also. So I will give you a presentation of what the program is. I will share my slide. Hope you can see this slide. Now the project is called Yuva Atmanirbhar project. The project is to evolve self-sustainable skills to the youth through online platforms. Okay. The vision is make students self-reliant to address challenges of life with trust on their own capabilities and abilities. This is the vision of this project. The mission is to collaborate with the education institution to empower the students to make them socially productive accountable, and dynamic citizen, to help the students to identify their strengths, potentials, and possibilities in digital marketing, to foster and support student learning through virtual internship and part-time job opportunities. These are the visions of this project, missions of this project. The goal is make 1 lakh candidates self-reliant, self-sufficient by 2025, the silver jubilee year of IPSR, through various virtual internships, part-time job opportunities, etc. So this is our goal. By 2025, we are planning to make 1 lakh students self-sufficient. And this process is already started. As I mentioned, many students have already done the internship now. Some of them are doing it in a very good way. The performance was excellent. Now, what are the benefits of this project for the interns? They can learn and develop social media marketing skills, learn and practice affiliate marketing, involved in the digital marketing activities. They can interact with industry experts and market leaders. They can develop entrepreneurial skills. Then generate a self-sustainable income through social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and online jobs. There are 3 areas. One is social media marketing, then the affiliate marketing, that is one of the new age marketing techniques. Then online jobs. Through online jobs also one can earn money. And gain industry experience from a public limited IT company. Avail internship certificate, guidance, and recommendations for career growth. So when you are doing this internship, you are working in a company and as an intern, so that you will learn the basic things to become a professional in future. Now, this is a survey report recently published. So during this COVID times, this pandemic times, what are the skills required for getting a job? Now, they have identified many areas. At the bottom area, you can see the digital capability. These are the assumed skills necessary for doing most professional jobs. These are the assumed skills for any job in future. For any job, you require this digital capability. And through this project, we are aiming to develop that digital capability for the interns. You can see the core competency signals. This is the functional expertise, distinguishing skills, defining skills, or necessary skills for a particular job. If you are applying for a programmer job, definitely you need the programming skills. Okay, so that is a functional expertise. Then comes 3 areas: analytical and critical thinking, interpersonal, leadership. These are the signal boosters, abilities that help you stand out from your competition. So once you want to go up the career ladder, these are the areas you have to focus. Now, through this internship program, definitely you will acquire that digital capability. That is the bottom line. Now, how this program works? The project enrollment and mentoring, that is the initial stage, and that induction program is being conducted today, so that you are attending the program. Then 45 days digital marketing internship with a certificate. So this is the first level internship. Earlier it was only for 30 days. So after receiving suggestions and consultations with the academic, we have extended that 30 days to 45 days, mainly because of many universities, UGC and ACT, they are insisting for a 45 days internship. That is the minimum time period for an internship. Especially in Kerala, the KTU, Kerala Technical University, is insisting for 45 days internship. So we have extended that period to 45 days. This is the level 1. And you will be receiving tasks and assignments through an online portal, a learning management portal. so that you can learn and practice affiliate marketing also. Earn money and reward points through affiliate program. When you have we will be introduced with the affiliate program of many companies, including the multinational company. You can earn money through that affiliate program. Also, you can earn additional reward points through tasks and other assignments. So we will be giving you reward points when you do a task. When you complete a task, you will be getting reward points. And for affiliate program of IPSR, you will be getting not only the money, but reward points in addition to that. And top performers will be provided with an appreciation certificate in addition to the internship certificate. The top performers, they will get an appreciation certificate so that they can add it to their resume. And today also we will, every week we are identifying the top performers from different colleges. And they will be provided with an appreciation certificate. That will be in addition to the internship certificate. All the students who complete these 45 days of internship will get an internship certificate. So in addition to that, the performers will get an appreciation certificate. That will be more valuable because when you go for an interview, definitely that will give more value to your resume. Again, more learning opportunity from second month onward for performers. That means second month means after 45 days, the second level internship will start, and only the performance will be promoted to the second level. And when you complete the second level, you will get an add-on course certificate. That means then the program will be 45 days plus 3 months. So only for the performers, this option is there so that they will be promoted and they can do the second level, and that will be extended to 3 months again. And you'll be learning many things during the 3 months schedule. And an add-on course certificate will be provided to them, and that is worth rupees 5,000. So that will be provided free of cost in addition to the internship certificate. And the students, the performers will get gifts and other prizes. Opportunity to become affiliate of a premium product of IPSR and our client company. Again, this is for performers. Career orientation and placement support through IPSR jobs for performers. So these are all for performers. So for all those students who are joining for this internship program, you should try to perform very well so that you will get more benefit out of this program. So we are actually building a community for affiliate marketing, and you will also get some benefits in future. Even if you complete the internship program, you can continue as an affiliate of IPSR or other companies. So this will be a win-win situation for both the interns and IPSR. You are also acting as an affiliate or ambassador of IPSR. So we are also definitely benefiting from this program. So together we will achieve. That is the concept. And some quick facts about the digital marketing arena. Globally, companies spend $300 billion for online promotion. Especially during this pandemic situation, almost all the companies, they are giving advertisements in online media, in Google or in Facebook or in social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Companies are spending billions of dollars for online promotion. That is the potential of this digital marketing area. And through affiliate programs, companies generate 15% to 30% of sales. So through affiliate program, that is again a win-win situation for the company, because they are appointing affiliate, and if a business is closed through affiliate, the company will provide an incentive. Again, the company is getting a business. The affiliate is also benefiting out of it because the affiliate is getting an incentive. Affiliate marketing is suitable for all ages, and more than 35% of affiliates earn $20,000 per year. Annually, 35% of affiliates working in the global scenario, they are earning $20,000 annually, and it is suitable for all ages. So even if you complete your 45 days of this internship program, you can continue with the affiliate marketing activities during your free time, because you will be introduced to many of the affiliate marketing programs of so many companies, multinational companies like Amazon, Flipkart, or many other companies are there. So you can continue to do the affiliate marketing activities so that you can earn a part-time income. Even if you are employed in future, then also it will be an additional income for you. 81% of marketers and 84% of publishers leverage affiliate marketing. Nowadays, almost all the companies, like you can see, more than 80% of the companies worldwide, they are utilizing this affiliate marketing option. So opportunities are there. Again, 8-year-old Ryan Kaji is the highest paid YouTuber. He's earning $26 million a year. His age is only 8 years. Now he's 9 years old. So he has a YouTube channel where he's earning $26 million a year. So during this internship program, you will be trained in to start a YouTube channel, so that if you are passionate about it, you can build on it, and we can provide mentoring support for your YouTube channel for getting the first 100 subscribers. That is very important. So we can support you, we can mentor you to develop your YouTube channel. That is one of the areas, one of the benefits you will be receiving when joining for this program. And about influence, so digital marketing can be considered as a job. If you are interested in future, you can join a company as a digital marketer or a social media manager or something like that. That is a career option. And other than this career option, you can be an influencer. Influencers are the new concept developed during this decade, especially when the social media activities are booming. Influencers means those people who have got followers, sufficient number of followers or friends in social media like Facebook or Instagram, or if you have a sufficient number of subscribers for your YouTube channel, you can be an influencer. And an influencer can earn money. For example, influencers with 500K plus followers earn around $3,857 per video. If you publish a video, you will get a sponsorship, or you will get advertisement. Even YouTube will provide you with some advertisement revenue, something like that. So if you have if the number of followers are high, the earning will be high. But even influencers with less than 5,000 followers, or 500 to 5,000 followers, they are earning on an average of $315 per video if you are publishing a video in the YouTube. And if you can, simultaneously you can do it in Instagram and Facebook. So even with the micro influencers, these are called micro influencers. That means influencers with less than 5,000 followers. They are called nano influencers or micro influencers. They can also earn money, because if you have sufficient number of followers on your social media channel, many companies will approach you for advertising their products or services. And you can be an affiliate also. So in so many ways you can earn money if you are an influencer. Okay, I will again give you some examples of some influencers. Pratham Singh is India's youngest social media influencer. He's a 17-year-old Delhi boy. 15,000 followers, 15,000 plus followers on his Instagram handle. And he's earning around 1 to 10 lakhs in a year. So his unique personality and crystal clear deposition makes him a motivational force on the social media platform. So this is an example of an influencer. Another example is of Krina Vindras. Is India's youngest social media influencer marketer. She is currently doing her third year degree in commerce. She's from Mumbai. Began her professional career at the age of 16 as a blogger. She started as a blogger. Later, she became campus ambassador and influencer marketer. And at the age of 19, she started her own influencer marketing company. She has got a startup company. So she is again an influencer. And we have a BTech student, Avinash Mada from Hyderabad. He made rupees 80 lakhs in 6 months through Instagram. He's a BTech student. He's a BTech student turned influencer. He made rupees 80 lakhs in 6 months through Instagram. So he's 19 years old. Started it as a hobby and now he earns 7-digit income through Instagram. So these are possible for every student who is passionate about this type of activities. And these are the 4 ladies. About them, there was a feature in Vanida magazine in Kerala. These 4 ladies, they are all housewives. They started their career as an influencer and are now earning money around 20,000, 25,000, 40,000 per month. They are earning money now. They have an Instagram account and some of them are promoting cooking classes or recipes, etc. They will introduce new recipes and getting more followers so that many companies are approaching them for advertisements and sponsorship, etc. So they are from Kerala. So that's about influencers. Again, coming to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means if you are an affiliate, you will connect the merchant with the customer. That is the duty of an affiliate. Okay. When the merchant get a business, you will get incentives and the customer also will get some discount. That is the way the affiliate marketing programs are planned and scheduled. I will give you an example of that affiliate marketing concept, and almost most of you are using Google Pay. And when you are using Google Pay, there is a message from Google Pay, invite your friends to use Google Pay. So what you will get, you will earn rupees 101 cash back when they make their first payment. So if you invite a student or a friend of you to use Google Pay, when they make their first payment, you will get a cashback, some incentive. In that way, Google has introduced Google Pay. And nowadays, it is a success story of Google. Almost everybody is using Google Pay. And instead of, say, using this affiliate program, if Google has gone for advertisement in newspapers and TV, they had to spend millions of dollars. But using affiliates, it is very easy for them to penetrate to even villages. So this is the way affiliate marketing works. And every company is interested for affiliate marketing program, so that there is a lot of prospects in this area in future also. How you can earn money in this project? First of all, you can start with the affiliate marketing of IPSR products and services the first week. So you will be provided with some guidance. You can start with IPSR products and services. You will get some unique promo code from IPSR. you can promote our products and services through your social media platforms or whatever way you can do it. You can, of course, you can do it, and we will train you how you can do the update marketing. And after 2 weeks, after 1 or 2 weeks, you can start doing the update marketing of other companies also. We will introduce the update marketing programs of many other companies. More than 100 companies we will introduce you so that you will get the benefit. Okay. When your referee will get special discount, that is also an advantage. When you recommend a product or service to your friends or your relatives, or even through social media to people who are not known to you, when they purchase the product, they will get a special discount and you will get a commission. So that is the way this update marketing is planned. And IPSR products and services, we have the learning division and also learning services, and we have the development division where we have products. These are our courses. Mainly, we offer job-oriented courses and internships. Like we have courses on data analytics, machine learning. These are the new age courses, the booming areas in IT. Python is the hottest language. Java, we are providing all the training. And especially Red Hat, system administration, Linux automation, social media marketing, data marketing, .NET, PHP. These are the basic courses. In addition to that, we provide Amazon Cloud, AWS, and the Ansible automation, many other high-end courses in addition to these basic courses. And these are our products. We have a product called EasyCom, which was released in 2002, now 18 years old. This is an accounting system, just like Tally. You might have heard of Tally. This product is installed in Kerala and in Gulf countries, outside Kerala also. And we have more than 1,000 clients in Kerala. They are using this product. Then we have the website development, content management services, etc. We have the digital marketing and SEO services. These are our products and services. Again, coming to our premium products, we have our premium product. We have a product called QN Smart. This is for generating question papers, which is being used by MG University and many other autonomous colleges in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and outside Kerala. Many autonomous colleges and universities, they are using this for their for conducting examinations. So this is one of our premium products. We have a product for accreditation purposes, for NAC accreditation, and for automating the processes. We have a software called DEQ accreditation. Then we have the college management system. We have the learning management system. So these are some of the products, some of the premium products of IPSR, and this costs around 50,000 to 50 lakhs to the IPSR premium product. And this will be provided to the level 3 interns only, because when you start your internship program in the first level, you will be provided with the other products and services, second level also. And once if you are thorough with the update marketing program and about IPSR products and services, you will be provided with the premium products, so that you can have you can be an affiliate of this premium product. Definitely, the earning will be high compared to the other products and services. Again, coming to the internship program, there are two parts for this internship program. One is the learning part, the other one is the earning part. The learning part, you will learn the basics of social media marketing, affiliate marketing, along with the internship. You will gain hands-on experience in digital marketing by involving in the promotion activities of IPSR and other companies. This is actually the hands-on experience. Not only you are just learning the social media marketing, but you are experiencing it. And you can master advanced modules of digital marketing in the second and third level of internship. That depends on your performance. If you want to study about the advanced areas of digital marketing, definitely you have to perform well in the first level. the initial 45 days. Then only you will be promoted. Then definitely you will get the chance for studying or learning the advanced level. The earning comes through different uh, activities, like you can earn incentives through affiliate marketing of IPSR products and services. You can start there. You can make money online through recommended platforms and websites. There are many online jobs, genuine online jobs available, and we will introduce all these online jobs to you so that you can pick the right one from the list. And you can continue to earn through affiliate marketing of IPSR premium products and tie-up companies. So there are two areas. One is the affiliate marketing. The other one is the online job through which you can earn money. And again, after these 45 days of internship, you can put this certificate, you can add it to your resume, and you can apply for a social media internship in other companies, like through Internshala. You can apply for internship. There are many companies listed in Internshala, and there are students who are earning up to 15,000 to 20,000 per month when they do internship in social media marketing. So once if you get the experience, 45 days of experience, definitely you'll get an advantage when applying for internship programs of other companies. And a lot of opportunities are available in Internshala. If you search for a social media marketing or digital marketing in Internshala, a lot of opportunities are available there. This experience will definitely help you to get some internships or even jobs there. And reward points, about reward points for each affiliate marketing business of IPSR, you will get reward points up to 1,000. Normally, you will get an incentive of ₹1,000 plus you will get reward points. For your overall performance during internship, reward points up to 500. The option is there. And if you have some video presentations, if you can do, you'll get up to 500 reward points. For each qualified poster creation, you'll be given tasks for poster creations and video presentations. You will get reward points according to that. Okay. And for your overall performance in special tasks, there will be some special tasks announced in between. You will get reward points. So in that way, you can earn reward points, and these reward points you can redeem later. That I will later tell you how you can redeem it. So once again, I will give you some idea about IPSR, because once you are a part of IPSR, you should know what the company is. And definitely during the first week, you will have some multiple choice questions based on the company's activities. And definitely you have to perform well in those activities also, because you are absorbing, we are absorbing you as an intern of IPSR. So you should know about the company. This is a public IT company operating from India and the United Kingdom. We have 20 plus years expertise in software product development, training, placements, and digital marketing services. These are the various divisions of IPSR. We have IT products and services. We have different products for academics. We are focusing mainly on the education domain. So we have products for colleges, universities, etc. We have accounting solution products like EasyCom. We have web applications development. We have data marketing activities. And our learning services, we have classroom training. We are providing IT training in different areas. We have online training, corporate training. Lot of companies, they avail training through IPSR, especially for the certifications like Red Hat Certified Engineer and all. Almost all the companies like IBM, then IBS in Kerala, then many TCS, Yahoo, many companies, many multinational companies, for their team members, for their employees, we have trained them. We have academic tie-ups with many universities and colleges. We are offering global certifications, as I mentioned earlier. We have faculty development programs, especially in outcome-based education and all. We conduct programs for faculty also. And we have placement services. We have a job portal where we provide placement services to our own students and also to students out, from outside. For strengths of an IT company, we are led by academicians and entrepreneurs. We have 5 own software products. That is one of our major achievements. We have a committed team of professionals for software development on multiple platforms. We have more than 1,000 clients in India and abroad. And mainly we have worked with more than 250 academic organizations, which includes universities, autonomous colleges, etc. We have 2 decades of expertise now. This is our 21st year. And we are world's leading Red Hat training partner. That is one of our major achievements. We started the Red Hat the training in 2003 as a Red Hat training partner. And in 2004 onwards, in 2004, we became the #1 training partner in India. And in 2009, we became the #1 training partner in Asia Pacific region. And in 2014, we have produced the highest number of Red Hat professionals in the world. So in 11 years, we could achieve that milestone. And we have bagged 35 national and international awards for training excellence. We have a large alumni base spread across the globe. And most of our alumni, the senior people, they are serving the top positions of major IT companies. We have tie-up with more than 1,500 companies for placements. We have provided online training internship to 8,000 plus candidates during this lockdown days itself. And we have trained students from 50 plus countries. From almost all the continents, we have students. And currently also, we have students from all these different places. And one of our most important such stories, we have guided more than 1 lakh candidates into IT and ITS jobs the past 2 decades, in 20 years. And we have guided them, and they could so that they could secure a good career in IT and IT-enabled services. And this is one of the awards we received for our software product. Award winner, Best Education Technology Solution Provider. This award was in 2019 from Integrated Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And these are the people who are leading this particular project. Other than me, we have Dr. Brijesh George John and Dr. Sunil Job. They are all academicians, as well as they have good expertise and experience in this particular domain, especially in the data marketing domain. Dr. Brijesh George John is a YouTuber having more than 3 lakh subscriptions for his YouTube channel. He is the head of our IT jobs. And Dr. Sunil Job is a former principal, and he is heading our the academic solutions division. So, as per the government of India, they have announced this Atmanirbhar project. So this project is in tune with the Atmanirbhar project of government of India. And there are some FAQs, frequently asked questions. Usually students ask questions like this: is this a job offer? No, this is not a job offer. This is only an internship program. How much fees do I have to pay? There is no fee. This program is absolutely free. There is no fee. But if you want a certification, because after 45 days, you will get a internship certificate that is free of cost. But we have added a certification. For that, you have to learn some more areas, some more topics. We will be providing that topics also, so that you will get a certificate, certificate course in social media marketing and new age marketing. So if those who are interested, you can pay a nominal fee for conducting that assessment, examination and all. That's all. For the internship program, there is no fee. It is absolutely free. Do I get any stipend for the internship program? You can earn incentives for the update marketing program, IPSR and other companies. That is one of the areas you can earn money. Plus, you can earn money through online jobs also. Minimum qualification for this program, there is no minimum qualification. Only you should be a regular student of a recognized education institution offering diploma, degree or postgraduate program, or a student of IPSR learning services. That is the qualification required. What are the areas in which the internship is provided? Internship will be provided in digital marketing, which includes social media marketing and update marketing. Students from technical and other specific domains will be considered for internship incorporating their domain. If you are a technical student, definitely you will be provided with some tasks related to your technical area. So that will definitely add value to your internship certificate. And we have launched two more programs now. Probably by next month, we will start those programs. Two programs means after the first level internship, those students who are coming from the computer science background, BTech or BCA or MCA, they will be provided with a technical internship. That means for 3 months, not only the digital marketing activities, you can do some technical tasks so that you can improve your technical skills. And for commerce or management students, those who are interested in accounts and for those students, we will be providing an internship in those areas, the accounting area, and that will be in association with a chartered accountant firm. So that in future, if you are looking for a CA or a internship in a chartered accountant firm, you can pursue that, and this will be helpful for you. So these are the two programs we are announcing announced last month and will be started from January onwards. And what is the duration of this program? The duration of the internship program depends on your performance. Initially, the internship will be offered for 45 days only. Later, it might be extended to 3 more months or more. Even you can continue that after 3 months based on your performance. Best performance will be recruited as interns with a fixed stipend as and when there are vacancies. So if you are performing very well, definitely after the second level, you will be recruited to IPSR team as an intern with a fixed stipend every month. Okay, that possibility is also there. How much time should we spend for this internship? You can do the internship on your flexible timing. You have to spend a minimum of 5 hours per week. That is the minimum requirement. This 5 hours per week means every day you can spend 1 hour each, or during holidays you can spend more time so that you can complete those tasks. So if you have a tight work, if you have some assignment from the college, then definitely you may not find time during that particular day. So that won't be a problem. Next day you can make it that timing. And during holidays also you can spend more time so that you can finish the task and assignments. The tasks and assignments will be given on a weekly basis so that you can complete that particular week task and then you can start the next week's task. Will this affect my studies or exam schedule? No. If you have exams or other important assignments, you can apply for a leave during the period and continue later. So for example, once you start your internship and after 2 weeks, your exams are announced, definitely you can ask for a leave for 1 month or so, or after the exams, you can continue your internship. So that is flexible because you have to give more, definitely more focus on your exams, your syllabus and all. And this will only supplement your studies. Which are the basic things required for doing this digital marketing internship? You should have an active account on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, etc. You can do your tasks and assignments from a PC or a smartphone with internet connectivity. So internet connectivity is essential. You can do the task from your smartphone or a laptop or a PC, etc. It is possible. Now, usually this is the status of the performance. If 100 students apply for the internship, 80% will start the internship. Naturally, 20% will leave. And 50% will complete first level. Nowadays, more students are completing the first level. Initially, there were only 50% who were completing the first level, but now I think students are more serious. Around 75% students are completing the first level. Then 20% will complete additional 3 months. After the first level, only the performance will continue. So we are expecting only 20% of the students. 10% will be successful and continue as an influencer or a YouTuber or affiliate or a DM professional and start earning a steady income. So only 10% will be successful in the digital marketing area. And every student may not be interested in continuing this particular profession. Those who are interested and those who are passionate about this particular area, they will continue as an influencer. That is one area. They can be an influencer. They can be a YouTuber. They can start a YouTube channel and earn money. They can be an affiliate. And it's very easy to become an affiliate, to continue as an affiliate. And some of the students, they will be, pursuing the career as a data marketing professional. So they will start earning a steady income. And various levels of an internship. First 45 days, more focus on learning. Start to learn social media marketing. You can do live tasks, and you can start affiliate program with social media platforms. You can start the affiliate program, but it will take time because you need to study many things. Then only you can earn a steady income. But the first 45 days, our advice is you can focus more on your learning part. The next 3 months, second level, you can focus on learning and earning both. You can learn more about social media marketing. You can do live tasks, create own channels. You can start with a YouTube channel, or you can have a blog, or you can have an Instagram page of your own with a sufficient number of followers. Then you can start to do affiliate programs through own channel. That will definitely help you to earn more money. Mentoring support for entrepreneurship. We will be providing you with mentoring support for entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means for if you want to continue with your YouTube channel, we will definitely help you to get the initial number of subscribers. That is a difficult case for many YouTubers to get the first 100 subscriptions. We will definitely help you to get the first 100 subscriptions. Then, after the second level, more focus on earning. You can become a professional in social media marketing and data marketing, become an affiliate of IPSA premium products, become an entrepreneur, earn a steady income through affiliate marketing and social media platforms. So that is the third level. As I mentioned earlier, if you are very much interested in this particular area, then only you can look into this third level. Others, for example, if you are not interested in this area, definitely you can leave after the first level or second level, and you can definitely you can continue with the affiliate marketing programs or something like that as a part-time job. Today is Saturday, so next Wednesday, that is on 16th, from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Kickstarting the program. This is mandatory for every student. So today you understood what the program is. Now, if you are interested, then on Wednesday you can attend that session, so that you will be provided with the tasks and assignments, the guidance for starting that program. And every Fridays from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. is a doubt clearing session. You can come online so that our team members will be there, so that you can clear any doubt. And in between also you can contact through your WhatsApp number. You can contact so that if you have any doubts, you can clarify it. Second Saturday after induction. This is not the second Saturday of every month. Second Saturday after induction means today is 12th, next Saturday is 19th, and the second Saturday after induction means that is on 26th. So this Saturday comes immediately after the Christmas. So 25th is Friday, 26th is Saturday. So for this particular month, this tips and tricks for affiliates is scheduled on Monday. 26th is a Saturday, 27th is Sunday, 28th Monday, we have scheduled this session. So you can please note down on these days. Next Wednesday, that is on 16th, you have to attend the session. It is mandatory. So how you can do the tasks and assignments, everything will be explained there, will be provided with the guidance. And the second Saturday after induction means that is on 26th of this month. And only for this December, we have scheduled that program on 28th Monday from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Not 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, because of Christmas holiday. So then during that particular day, tips and tricks for affiliates. That means you'll be provided with the tips and tricks for affiliate program so that you can start earning money from affiliate marketing program. So this is the schedule for this batch. And yeah, this is our 21 years of IPS. Actually, we celebrated it on 22nd November every year. This year we completed 21 years of IPS. Once again, as an intern, we should know about our achievements. We have 5+ products. We have 30+ courses, 35+ awards, 50+ countries students we provided service, 250+ academic associations we have, academic institutions we have tied up with the 250+ academic institutions, 1.5K plus placement tie-up. That means we have more than 1,500 companies availing our service for their placement. And we have 1 lakh+ students, candidates we have mentored during these 20 years. And now our immediate goal is to provide internship to 1 lakh+ students in the next 4 years by 2025. So we have started this program this year, and we are sure that we can achieve that target. And now it is the time for the question answer section.